Hello friends, ever wondered how you could make money online by teaching people, youngsters, students? Everyone needs a good teacher. And if you had been a good student in school, college, having a good academic base, there are today many opportunities where you can become a teacher and earn money online. So I'll take you through those options. Please watch this video till the end because I'm going to give you a lot of information which could be of relevance to you. So the first way to start teaching online today. So, the earlier model was that you become a teacher, go to someone's house, teach them mathematics or physics. There'll be 2-3 students. If you grow big, then you become a coaching center owner and so forth. That was the physical format. Now with COVID, online has become very, very popular. So you could straight away become a YouTuber and start your channel, start uploading content. So you have to create a lot of good content. For that, maybe you need a screen recording software like Camtasia or Screencast-O-Matic. Now Camtasia costs a bomb like 20,000 rupees. So you can start off probably with Zoom as well. YouTube is going to pay you once you achieve 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So it's like a patient game, but once you reach there, you could probably reach there very well if you create good content. And I'm going to probably at the end tell you how you can create good content. So then you get like $0.25 to $5. That's like a huge range per 1,000 views. And you can create content from public speaking to maths, English, law, accountancy, whatever you want, like CAT, GMAT. So start with YouTube, for example. And then there is one thing called Chegg. So chegg.com, there are two options. One is question and answer format where students would post live questions. You have to give answers. You get paid like 168 rupees per answer. However, that option, they are saying that the volume is getting down. They are wanting you to move to TBS, which is the textbook solutions vertical. In each of the textbooks, there are some problems that have to be solved and you get paid like $10 for solving a question, which could take, let's say, 1 hour, 2 hours, depending on your speed. Then you've got Unacademy. Earlier they used to pay for pre-recorded videos on a per view basis. Now they've moved to the live classes. So if someone watches your video for 15 minutes or more, he becomes an eligible learner, and then there's a milestone based structure based on that. Then you can apply on a lot of platforms like Vedantu. They say that if you work like 4 hours a day, you can earn up to 25,000 rupees a month, and you can earn up to 75,000 per month if you work full time. Similarly, there is opportunity on upgrad.com, content writing, mentoring, grading assessments, etc. So on their website you apply. It's like difficult. It's not that everyone who applies gets through. They might even ask for your video lecture, take an interview of yours. Then Byju's will take you only if you are willing to relocate to Bangalore. That is what I got from their website. Then you have websites like MyFav Tutor and My Private Tutor, where you can list yourself, set your own rates, and people are going to find you online. One good option is Udemy. You have to create your own content, an entire e-learning course, for example, on CLAT, on GMAT, on CAT, on Chartered Accountancy, CPA, CS, whatever. So then they will allow you to host it for free. And if the student comes to you and buys your course through your referral link, you get 97% of that amount, which is like 1,000 rupees course, you get 970 rupees. You can even price it even higher, like 10,000 as well. Then if they refer it to you, get 50%, and if it's like a paid link, it is 25%. So Udemy allows you to pay a lot of attention to your own brand. You can even create your own pen drives and probably start selling online. People are going to discover you through Google AdWords, Facebook ads. So, education has this thing called herd behavior. Once people discover you, everyone wants to study from you. So that initial phase is going to be full of struggle. And I'm going to leave you with 2 tips. One is this mic. It's a Boya mic. It's a must watch. It's a must have thing. I'll give you the link in the description. It costs like 1,200 rupees. connect it to your phone and you can record it. Yeah, I mean, a good smartphone is quite good enough for your initial days till you become like big. And then there is this Wacom graphic tablet. I'm going to share the link in the description. So it's like a tablet, you connect it to your laptop, you write it on the tablet, it comes across on the screen on PPT, on MS Word, on Note, whatever you want. It's a good method for you to engage the audience. So friends, these host of options, Chegg, Unacademy, YouTube, Udemy, Vedantu, Upgrad, Byju's, MyFavTutor, My Private Tutor, a lot of options. I mean, if you are really interested about education, I'm sure you're going to do well. And if you've liked this video, you found the content useful, please share these links with your near and dear ones. Let's work on a mission where a lot of people can teach the world from their homes and earn money online. Thank you.